Video we solve a numerical question about simple random sampling, and when we perform simple random sampling with replacement, simple random sampling without replacement, and at the end we also calculate mean marks. But if you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Now let's start. Question: assume that a population consists of 5 students and marks obtained by them in certain statistics class are 20, 15, 12, 16 and 18. Draw all possible random samples of size 2 when sampling is performed with replacement and without replacement. So we have data of 5 students and their marks obtained in statistics, and sample size small n is 2 in this question, and population size capital N is 5 because this is the population marks obtained about students in statistics, and this is the sample size. Suppose 5 students be identified as A, B, C, D, E. So we give the name of 5 students A, B, C, D, E, and number of possible samples small n is equal to 2 students, which can be selected from population of capital N 5 students with replacement. First we solve it with replacement. So the formula to obtain number of samples in simple random sampling with replacement is capital N power small n. In this question, capital N is 5 and small n is 2. 5 power 2 is equal to 25. So we made 25 samples when we perform sampling with replacement according to this data. So the total number of sample will be 25, and x1 represent marks of students selecting first, x2 be the marks of students selected second. All possible samples of sample size 2 is. So here we perform 25 samples. First column is serial number or sample number, which is 1 to 25 because our sample is 25. So A, B, C, D, E are the names of students. So sample students, total number of sample is 25 and our capital N is 5. So the trick to make made sample is divide number of samples by the population size. So total number of sample are 25 and our population is 5, which is capital N is equal to 5. So 25 divided by 5, the answer is 5. So at the position of x1 we write each population unit 5 times. So write here A 5. Then the second and the second student is B. So write B at 10 B, and then write C for 5 times. So we write 5 times C and write 5 times D. We write 5 times D and then write 5 times E. So I repeat again the formula. Sample is 25 and population is 5. Capital N is 5. So divide total number of sample by the population size. 25 divided by 5. So at first position, which is x1, we write each population element 5 times. And then for second element, our answer is 5. Then again divided, obtain answer which is 5 to the population size. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So write each element at the repetition of 1. A, B, C, D, E. Then again start 5 times. A, B, C, D, E. Because we write each element 1 time. And then again A, B, C, D, E. Again A, B, C, D, E. And again A, B, C, D, E. So sample marks x1, x2. Put the values of A is 20. Here as you can see, A is 20, B is 15, C is 12, D is 16 and E is 18. So 2020, 2015, 2012, 2016, 2018. And again putting these values, here B is 15, so write here 15, A is 20, write here 20 and carry on the same procedure. Sample mean average. Adding these two observations, which is 40 divided by 2, answer is 20. 35 by 2, answer is 17.50. 20 plus 12, 32 divided by 2, answer is 16. 20 plus 16, 36 divided by 2, answer is 18. So carry on the same procedure by adding these two observations and divided by 2. We got average according to this formula. So we obtain sample mean average by using sampling with replacement. Here we perform the same question when sampling is without replacement. The number of random samples of two students that can be drawn without replacement. So the formula used for without replacement is capital N C small n. C means combination. So capital N is 5, C 2. So 5C2 means 5 2 combination. The answer is 10. We obtain 10 samples when we perform sampling without replacement. The number of random samples of two students that can be drawn without replacement. Here is the sampling without replacement, sample number 1 to 10 and sample students. In sampling without replacement, the procedure is changed. First element is A. Combine this A with B. AB, AC, AD, AE. Repeat all these A with these elements. B. Second element is B. BC, BD, BE. And then leave the B second element. Then the third element is C. CD, CE. And the fourth element at the end, DE. Sample marks X1, X2. 2015, 2012, 2016, 2018, 1512, 1516, 1518 and so on 1618. Sample mean average 20 plus 15, 35 divided by 2, 17.5. 20 plus 12, 32 divided by 2, 16. 20 plus 16, 36 divided by 2, 18. And rest of the procedure is same for obtaining the sample mean for average. Adding these two observations divided by 2. So you got sampling with simple random sampling without replacement. In simple random sampling, we take first element and we repeat this element with all the remaining elements A, B, A, C, A, D, A, E. Then leave the first element A and then again B, and we start from B and remaining elements are C, D, E. So we make combination with B with C, B, D, B, E, and now leave B and we start with C, C, D, C, E, and here leave C and next element is D, D, E, and we have no remaining elements. So according to this method we make samples without replacement when we perform sampling, when we perform simple random sampling without replacement. Thanks for watching. If you want to see videos on simple random sampling with replacement, what is simple random sampling without replacement, what is target population, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.